Hello, astrology lovers. Welcome to AstroBasic, the first place to learn astrology. I'm Jayant Kumar and I'll be your host for today's session from AstroBasic channel. AstroBasic has launched Numerology Report last year and we received a lot of good feedback globally. And a lot of reports have been generated. So that encourages us to add more numbers to the Numerology Report. So now in Numerology Report, you will see two parts. One is Pythagorean report and another one is the Chaldean report. So two part is added into the single report. The one common question which has been asked by all the astrology lovers who generated the numerology report is, can you please tell me how this report can help me in achieving my life purpose? Or basically they wanted to ask like how to use this numerology report in my life. So in nutshell, I can say this numerology report is a blueprint of your life. Like if you, for example, if you're going to a new place or island, and if you don't have any map, then probably you will be roaming here and there and you won't be able to complete all your journey smoothly because you don't know where to go, where not to go, which one is good for you and which path is not good for you. The same thing happens when we take birth in this life. This numerology report basically provide you all the details. It's your life purpose, what are the strengths you have, what are the shortcomings you have that you need to improve, how other people perceives you, what exactly you want from the core inside, what are the opportunities you are going to get in particular age, and what are the challenges you are also going to receive. Along with that, you will also come to know the each year how it will be. So we are providing in this report the 2 years analysis. Along with that, in the Chaldean report, you will find that the combination of your number is coming in your date of birth is having some special meaning. And that's the deep analysis basically that astrologers usually do when they take your chart. So they prepare the chart and they do these analysis. So it is a rare combination of Pythagorean report and Chaldean report, which I believe I haven't seen that is available in the market. So you can really enjoy that report and you will really get a lot of deep insight. So I'm going to start a numerology report video series in that in each video I'll be taking one number out of that numerology report and explain you what exactly signifies and what are the things you can come to know from this number after generating the report. Cosmic https cosmic.astrobasic.com. You go here, this is the report homepage. Right now report in English, we are planning to bring report in Hindi also, so right now you can click here, then you will get this form where you can enter the detail, like I'm entering one name and I'm entering the email address. Make sure you are entering the right email address because one copy of your report will go to your email address, whatever email address you are giving. And then you will get two options, free report and full report. You can generate the full report. Then you will get the payment page. You can do the payment. After payment, you will see this report is generated. So this report is available like as a web page, as well as you will see this report in a PDF format as well. So when you go to your Gmail, report is generated. You will get email, and in the attachment you will also see the PDF. So you can see this numerology report. It has two parts. One is Pythagorean, and you will get your life path number with videos. Then you can see your birthday number, purpose of your birthday number. Then you see expression number, hidden passion number, karmic lesson number, personality number, her desire number, karmic tape number, challenge number, pinnacle number, essence cycle number, personal year number, Chaldean report. Under that you will see Mulank, and then Bhagyank, then Chaldean name number, then month number, what is the meaning of the month, then year, sun sign, and this is a numerology chart which is very unique. So when you go into further detail, each number appearing in your the combination, and that combination tells about the result. Like here, number 1 meaning number 2, number 6, like 3 is appearing more than once, so that has their meaning. So you will see that in detail in under the Chaldean section. Under the Chaldean current year, you will see that number 4, what is the meaning of that, and this is again the Chaldean method of calculating that year, so that you will see the meaning. So next year we are providing you 2 years data, so you will see that 2 years, and then the thank you. So we are also planning to add like relationship, your name analysis, the finance analysis, important age, and also you will be seeing it is coming soon, within 1 or 2 weeks. So we are working on that. So you always have option to download PDF, or you will always see the PDF in your email. Apart from that, when you go to your email, so you will get a link for the web page report. So whenever you want, you can read it. So it's your report. So you can always read this report in a web page format as well as in the PDF format. And this report is very much compatible in the mobile view as well. So you won't face any problem in mobile also. So you can generate the report and that. So today we are going to discuss the number under the Pythagorean numerology, uh, meaning of life path number. So life path number is one of the important number in your life, and that tells about the path on which you are going to walk. So what is the purpose of your soul? So once you know about your life path number, you know very much about yourself. You understand your personality in detail, and you understand what is your thought processes and where your soul wants to go. So whenever you do any work related to your life path number or align with life path number, you feel happy because your soul is happy at that time. So this life path number is very important. And the numbers which is coming in your life path number, that is the number which is driving you everywhere. And it is not for 1 year or 2 years. It is from the birth till the death of your life or end of your life. This number is always prominent. So the more you understand about that number, the more you will understand about you. So I have given that, and I have also put video in English and Hindi so that you can understand about this number, friendly number, and what other numbers, all things I have given. So if you want to generate this report, link is displaying below, or you can go to description for the numerology report link. And if you want to know how to calculate this number and what are the meaning in detail, then please buy my book Numerology and You. And if you have any question related to this report, then you can always send me mail at jayantkumar@astrobasic.com. Thank you. Stay tuned. See you next video. Bye-bye. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, then please like my page. And if you're watching on this YouTube, then please subscribe.